Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring Windows updates and a restart are done. This clears temporary activation conflicts. Next, sign into the Microsoft account that holds the Office license so activation can attach to your identity. Once signed in, open an elevated command prompt as administrator. This is necessary because the repair commands require system privileges. Make sure you have an internet connection and any proxy or VPN disabled, so online activation can communicate with Microsoft servers without interference. You'll now run the built-in Office repair. Choose Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if needed. Online Repair reinstalls core files and often restores licensing. If repair doesn't help, run System Integrity Checks. SFC/Scano, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix OS components that break activation. Once the system is healthy, re-register Office by ensuring the Office Click-to-Run service runs and, from an admin prompt, execute the Office activation commands to force a license refresh so activation ties to your account. You finish by signing out of Office apps, then sign back in and check account for license status. This forces the client to requery activation. If Office still shows unlicensed, remove stale license tokens from the local app data licensing folder and restart the PC. This forces a clean token fetch. If problems persist, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or contact support with your purchase proof. A key tip: always disable VPN/proxy and restart the Click-to-Run service before retrying activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.